Good evening. This is me, Boston Chickie. I am testing out the Fifine Am8 with the soundboard, which is also part of the Fifine collection. And in my opinion, I feel like the sound quality using the soundboard with the microphone gives you a better quality sound. And I'm just using the USB part of it. And I know there's another cable that you can get separately, and it doesn't come with the kit, but you can get it separately. And I hear that the sound quality is a lot better. But so far, I feel like, in my opinion, that this duo actually works, and I'm really excited to utilize it with my podcasts and my vlogs and my gaming experiences while I'm out on Twitch or YouTube. So let me know what you think about the AM8 Fifine microphone and the sound quality, and I'll leave you a comment. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you are enjoying my channel. And anyone else that has subscribed already or connected with me through live chat, thank you. I appreciate you for your participation. You take care of yourselves. Have a fabulous Saturday.